People talk a lot about the cloud. We save our photos to the cloud. We stream movies over the cloud. It all works like magic. But the reality is the cloud is just actually someone's else computer. So, else computer. And the internet, the internet is basically your computer connecting to their server through a thick optical wire cable. So, in a short form, that is basically what the internet is. So, welcome to the CodeCraft Loop. To understand how things work, we first have to go over to the ground level. So, in this video, we will see that if you type google.com, what actually in the background actually happens. So, now let's just say you are opening your laptop and you are searching a video on YouTube. Okay, so now you will search the video. So it doesn't happen that way that your laptop magically beam your request to the YouTube. Instead, what happens? Your laptop sends a signal, sends a radio signal to your Wi-Fi router. Then, but their Wi-Fi router also doesn't have the video which you are searching, so that it can give it to you immediately. What your Wi-Fi router does, it reaches out to your nearest local faculty of your internet service provider, which is also called as ISP. So, what is the internet service provider? Like the services which you use, like for example, Geo, then Airtel, then and Vodafone. Okay, so these are some of the services that is of everyone know that you pay monthly or yearly stuff for it. Funny how all of their icons are in red. So how does your ISP actually know where to send your request? Okay, so now for example, let's just take an example that you are sending a letter to your friend. So to send a letter to your friend, you actually require the home address of your friend, right? So the internet is exactly the same. In the envelope, you basically write from where you are passing the request. Okay, I accidentally write it reverse. It will be from laptop and to google.com. So you are sending the request from laptop, in which is your recipient, to the google.com. And as a stamp on your envelope, you put the IP address of it. So for each our device, like either it is our mobile phone, laptop, computer, iPad, anything. So there is an your IP address assigned to it, through which the internet passes it to, like an envelope, to our ISP server. Then the ISP server reaches out to its server, and then and where this website is stored, like the google.com. So it will check like against this IP, the user is trying to request to the google.com. Then he will send it back to the user. But now let's just say your request, the destination where it is going, that where the server is located, it is on the other side of the world. So how will the request come back fastly? So if you are thinking of satellites, that the request will go to the satellites and it is bounced to the other side of the world and come back, then that is a wrong answer. Since it will be very slow, to be honest. And yes, that is correct. It will be slow. Instead, what happens in our many gigantic oceans, we have some submarine cables installed across our world. So, whenever our request is sent, if it is on the other side of the world, through those submarine cables, we basically reach out to their server on that other side of the world, where your website is stored against your desired IP address. So this is how the work. Now, as you can see that the world is on the other side of world is reaching out to the server. And then once the server gives us the website which we are requesting, it returns it back to the user at a speed of light. So in short, this is our how the internet works. And also, if the your system design interviewer asks you that what is I mean how does the internet work, this is exactly how you can tell him. And yeah, yes, and get the job. So thank you.